Okay, so let's start today class. In the last class, we already discussed some symmetry of the signal. Okay, their condition and how we can express if any waveform follow the any particular symmetry. That means we discussed in the last class three types of symmetry: even symmetry, odd symmetry, and their condition. And in any particular type of symmetry, that means we can represent their Fourier series representation from the analysis of their symmetry. Okay, so just try to see whatever the three types of symmetry we discussed in the last class. So in a particular type of symmetry, which terms will be exist or which term is vanish. Uh, we already discussed this point in the previous class, so just try to recall those event type symmetry. Okay, so what was the condition for the event symmetry is xt equal to x minus t, and for the odd xt equal to minus x minus t, and half wave symmetry for xt equal to minus of xt minus t by 2. Okay. So just try to solve some problem based on the symmetry. Okay, as you know that first of all, just share the screen and then we will continue our discussion. Okay, so just wait here. Okay, so today we are going to discuss Fourier series representation using this symmetry, Fourier symmetry problem. Okay, so Fourier series representation Fourier series representation using symmetry problem. Fourier series representation of problem of using symmetry. Okay, so using symmetry okay. So if any waveform, okay, if any waveform follow either of the three types of symmetry, even symmetry, odd symmetry, and half wave symmetry, okay, so what was the condition for the even symmetry? That means xt equal to x minus t, odd symmetry xt equal to minus of x minus t. Okay. Sorry. And half wave symmetry xt equal to minus xt minus t by 2. Okay, so any signal can be represented in Fourier series by the standard notation of the formula. That means xt equal to a0 summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. Is it not? So just write down how we can represent this one. So okay, so xt equal to a0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. So just write the standard notation of the trigonometric form of the Fourier series. Xt equal to a0, that is known as constant term, okay, a0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. Did not? So an cos n omega naught t cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. Sin n omega naught t n omega naught t. Okay. So this is the standard formula for the representation of trigonometric Fourier series. That means xt equal to xt equal to a0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. Okay. In any waveform, if you do not solve by the symmetry, then you find all the terms, that means a0, an and bn, their coefficient. Okay. And then put here the general form, that means n equal to 1 to infinity. So that is your Fourier series representation in trigonometric form. Okay. If you follow the symmetry condition on any waveform, then you are able to reduce their laborious calculation method. That means where we do not require to solve the coefficient for the a0, an and bn. So if any signal follow the even symmetry, that means consist cos term, cosine term. Okay, cosine term, that means follow the cosine terms. So this is known as the even coefficient. Okay, cos is your even coefficient, odd coefficient, and sine is known as sine term is known as odd coefficient. This one is your even coefficient and this one is your odd coefficient. So any function, if you follow the even symmetry, that means this term exists, that means cosine terms. If any function follow the odd symmetry, then all the sine terms are present, okay, in the Fourier series representation in trigonometric form. So you are able to analyze in this way of any problem. Suppose that if you try to solve this problem, this waveform, and find the Fourier series representation in trigonometric form, okay, for this problem. So first of all, suppose that you have given some, find the trigonometric Fourier series representation of the given waveform. Okay, so find the trigonometry metric Fourier series representation, Fourier series representation of the given waveform of the given waveform okay, and suppose that you provided 4 number of option of this problem, waveform or problem. That means suppose that you represent their option, that means a equal to 3/2 equal to 3/2 get this one, okay, of the given waveform. Okay, now option given to you, 4 option for this problem. That means option number A, you may be represent an option number A. Okay, means for option number A, 3/2, that means constant term. Okay, so 3/2 plus 2/pi 2/pi an cos n omega naught t an cos n omega naught t, sorry, cos t cos 3t cos t cos 3t plus cos 5t cos 5t and so on. Option number A. Okay, and similarly given to you in option number B, That means 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 12 by pi 12 by pi into sin t plus 1 by 2 sin 2t plus 1 by 2 sin t plus 1 by 2 sin 3t plus 1 by 3 sin 3t sin 3t and so on. Okay. And in C is given to you 12 by pi 12 by pi into cos t plus 1 by 3 cos 3t cos t plus 1 by 3 cos 3t cos 3t plus 1 by 5 1 by 5 cos 5t cos 5t and so on. And in D 12 by pi 12 by pi into sin t plus 1 by 3 sin 3t 1 by 3 sin 3t plus 1 by 5 sin 5t 1 by 5 sin 5t sine 5t. Okay. So how you can solve this problem? How you can solve this problem? For this problem, you have given 4 number of options, and if you use the conventional method, that means xt equal to a0, n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin omega naught t. Okay, so you just find all the terms a0, an coefficient terms and bn, and then just put on this, then you will get the representation of the Fourier series, any one of these option. Okay, so that process is taking too much time and calculation also. So if you follow the symmetry and try to match which type of symmetry follow this waveform, and corresponding to that you maybe reduce their calculation of the Fourier series representation. Okay, so first of all, again I recall that out of 3 type of symmetry, okay, that means even, odd and half wave symmetry. Okay, so what is the condition for the even symmetry? You just always keep in your mind for the even symmetry, okay, right, again and again, so you are able to remember this property. Okay, even symmetry. So what is the condition of even symmetry? Xt equal to x minus t, is not xt equal to x minus t. Xt equal to x minus t equal to x minus t. Okay, and what is the condition for odd symmetry? For the odd symmetry, xt equal to minus x minus t, is not xt equal to minus x minus t. X minus x minus t minus t. And what is the condition for the half wave symmetry? That means for half wave symmetry, xt equal to minus x minus t by 2, is not? So xt equal to minus x minus x t minus t by 2. Okay, so t minus t by 2, t by 2. Okay, let me see. Even symmetry sine term is your sine term is what is cosine function? Cosine function is your even terms. That means when the even symmetry follow, that means in Fourier trigonometric series, even sorry, even terms present in the trigonometric Fourier series. That means cosine term. And if odd symmetry follow, then odd terms present in the Fourier trigonometric series, that is Bn. Sorry, sine n, sine terms. Okay. So you may be right here all the condition. That means if, that is more important here, if pure or only if only even symmetry follow, then even terms present all these condition I think explained in the previous one. Okay, so you maybe go through that previous class. That means even terms present in the Fourier trigonometric Fourier series representation. Trigonometric Fourier series representation okay, and even and half wave symmetry follow, then odd terms odd terms, yeah, exactly, odd terms of even coefficient present in the Fourier series representation. Okay, both if follow, that means even and half wave symmetry. Similarly, in odd symmetry, if only odd symmetry follow, then all these sine terms present in the Fourier series representation. Okay, so if only follow if only satisfy odd symmetry, then all sine terms or odd terms present in the Fourier trigonometric Fourier series representation. Sine terms, or you maybe say that odd terms. That means sine terms. Okay, odd terms present in trigonometric Fourier series representation. Trigonometric Fourier series representation. Yes, sir. Okay. If satisfy both odd and half-wave symmetry, if satisfy both odd and half-wave symmetry, half-wave symmetry, then odd sine terms, that means sine t, sine 3t, sine 5t, sine terms present in trigonometric Fourier series representation. Metric Fourier series representation. Okay. So I think this term you require for this problem. So just try to follow this one. That means, so just try to check the which type of symmetry follow this waveform. Okay. For the event symmetry, that means xt equal to x minus t. One thing, first of all, highlight here: if any waveform positive half of the time period waveform is similar to the next half of the waveform, that means equal length of the xt and x minus t, then constant term does not exist. Okay, so you maybe observe that this waveform follow this one. That means whatever the for the positive for the half time period, that means from this to this, yt is your 3, and again for the other half cycle, that means minus 3. So this width of the yt is same. Okay, so constant term do not exist for such type of waveform. Okay, so if constant term does not exist, that means your option number A and B already vanish. Now you just concentrate about the option number C and D, which are correct. Okay, so now you just simply you follow the condition of the event symmetry, that means xt equal to x minus t. So you check, is it event symmetry follow condition or not? Suppose that, how you can check the event symmetry? This half wave, if you take the mirror image, that means if you take the mirror image, so your waveform will look like something this way. So do not follow this waveform. Okay, that's why it is not follow the event symmetry condition. Okay, next check for the odd symmetry. That means how we can check the odd symmetry? Odd symmetry is nothing but x t equal to x minus of x minus t. That means you take the mirror image of this half wave form. That means if you take the mirror image and revert that waveform, and if you follow the original waveform, that means it follow the odd symmetry condition. So if you take the mirror image, so this one just look like this way, this form, and if you take the revert of that one, so for look like this way. So this waveform follow the odd symmetry condition. Okay. If odd symmetry condition follow, then what we have written here, all the sine terms present here. Okay. All the sine terms present here. Okay. Now check the odd symmetry, maybe follow the half wave symmetry also. Okay. Half wave symmetry also. So how you can check the half wave symmetry also? That means this half wave symmetry, okay, this half wave waveform, if shifted towards this side, that means look like this way, and take the reverse of this one and follow the original signal, then we can say that the follow the condition of the half wave symmetry. Okay, so this waveform follow the half wave symmetry as well as the odd symmetry waveform. Okay, odd symmetry. So if half wave symmetry also follow, that means the sine term only the odd terms present here. Okay, so here you may find that if satisfy both odd and half wave symmetry, then the odd sine terms present in the trigonometric series, trigonometric Fourier series representation. Okay, so now you may be cancel out this C option also, since this follow the odd symmetry condition, that means to follow only the, consist only the sine terms. Okay, so this option is your correct. Okay, this option is your correct. If in another types another option given to you, that means sine t, sine 2t, sine 3t, sine 5t, then you will go to check again for half wave symmetry. That means only present odd sine terms. That means sine t and 1 by 3 sine 3t, 1 by 5 sine 5t. So this condition, this option is your correct for this waveform of the Fourier trigonometric Fourier series representation. Okay. So in this way, you may be trigonometric Fourier series representation can be calculated in a few minutes, few seconds also. If you go through the conventional method, then you will take lot of times. Okay, lot of times. That means maybe 20 minutes, half an hour for this simple problem you can solve with the help of symmetry within a 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, within the 1 and 2 minutes, you can simply check which type of symmetric condition follow of your given waveform. And corresponding to that, if you remember the condition, which terms is present if even symmetry follow, which terms is present if odd symmetry follow, and which terms is present if even and half wave symmetry, odd and half wave symmetry. Okay, so you may be noted here. That means if any waveform, that means follow the even as well as the half wave symmetry, then only present odd cosine terms here. Your even terms is your, which one is your cosine term. That means if follow both the even symmetry and odd symmetry, then only the odd term of cosine present in the trigonometric Fourier series representation. Okay. Similarly, if any waveform follow the odd and half wave symmetry, okay, follow the odd and half wave symmetry, then maybe say that only the odd term of sine terms present in the Fourier trigonometric series representation. Okay, so in this way you can solve some problem based on the symmetry, your and practice some problem based on this symmetry condition. Okay, so this is the three basic symmetry condition: even symmetry, odd symmetry, and half wave symmetry. So how we can check simply which type of wave symmetry is for? For if you want to check the for the even symmetry, then just take the mirror image of the first half waveform. Okay, this waveform we take the mirror image. So if you take the mirror image, then it will look like this way. Okay. Then it follow the event symmetry. If you take mirror image and revert, and if you follow this waveform, then it follow the condition of odd symmetry. And if you take mirror shift, that means for half wave symmetry, that means if you shift half wave symmetry and revert, then it follow the original signal, then it known as the half wave symmetry. Okay, so this is the basic three types of symmetry you always keep in your mind, and their terms, which terms present if any particular type of symmetry is followed by any waveform. Okay, so in this way you can solve some problem in within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so just we stop here, and in the next class we will discuss another things. Okay, so just we stop here.